y'all. Yeah. Listen, I haven't even taken the boxes out yet, but what's up? I'm not going to do a review on this yet because it's going to take me a couple days. But look what Buzz TV sent me. Aha. Let's pull it on out. All right. Got 2 boxes up in here. Let's see what we got. The first box I pull out is the X5. This is the 128 AI. Let's see what that is right here. Let's check this out. Buzz, thank you for showing your brother a lot of love. Y'all always show me love. It's running Android 11, 4K Ultra HD, 5x GPU, 4 gigs of internal. All right. No, 128. Wow. 4 gigs of RAM. There we go. What I'm talking about, 4 gigs of internal. 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs right there of internal. 4x CPU. Y'all see the Wi-Fi. So it must have a brand new Wi-Fi up in there. A little chip for better connection. Ah, man. See that remote control over here? Again, this is the Buzz right here. This is the X5. So this is the 128 gigabyte mode. So I got to get that going. What is this one right here? Salute the Buzz again. All right. Send me a couple boxes to check out. This is the X5 64 gig AI, right? So this must be internal storage of 64. All right, so you see everything right there. Hopefully Android 11, everything is pretty much the same. 4 gigs of RAM. This one just the 64 gig model. Man, salute. This is why I tell y'all, man, don't burn your bridges. You never know. I'm gonna just open up one of them, right? Can I open up one? Let me just see what's in here. All right, I know I want to do a review on here. Oh man, look at that. All right, scan. We'll get into that one when I do the review. Man, oh man, look at this here. Ooh-wee. Got the antennas. Tighten those up right quick. Tighten them boys up right quick so they stand up. Man, look at this here. Ooh, this feels good too. This feels, man, boy, god dang it. That Buzz TV always doing some good stuff. Oh, this feels good. This feels good. Just going around it right quick. All right, y'all see what it is. Let's see what's in this box. All right. Let me go ahead. Just unbox it. All right, so you see the remote control comes in there. I think the remote control is Bluetooth as well. We got the power. All right, so you see the power, HDMI, and there it is. You got the Energizer batteries. You can't go wrong with that. Put that up in there. I can't wait to try this out. I can't wait. So you know what? Let me see. Let me see if there's anything different in this model. All right. All right, got that rip. And this is the 128 gig. If I can get it out. Oh, well, I guess I can't if I don't bust the tape, huh? There we go. Ah, man. All right, got the card, the memo right here. Again, man, the box feels nice. Feels very, very nice. Absolutely. So it's the same. Let me see. Okay, I don't know. They're the same. Yeah, they the same size. All right. Just wanted to make sure. But man, look at that. Feels good. Feels good. And again, oh, we got an extra box. What's that? Let's see what this extra box is. Oh, so these are the adapters for different regions. Cool. All right, it's for different regions. So depending where you at in the country, I mean not in the country but in the world, so you get your different adapters. So that's what's up. Nice. So again, you have some power. All right, got the power right there. Oh, one more thing is in here. All right, look at this. You got the power brick. All right, so you got that. Man, I cannot wait. You know I'm about to play with this bad boy today. Of course, the Energizers. Keep going and going, and then you got the Bluetooth remote control. Let's look at this bad boy right quick. Look at it. Oh yeah, very, very nice. And it looked like it's feel good. Yeah, it feels good. Very, very nice. All right, Buzz. I appreciate it, man. Y'all be hooking the brother up. Y'all been dealing with me for a few years now. Probably about 5-6 years we've been doing business together. So again, salute to Buzz TV for sending me this. I will be doing a real review on this. I just wanted to do the unboxing. Again, you got the 64 gigs of internal, and then you got the 128 gigs of internal. Both of them are running 4 gigs of RAM, and then you know, they definitely doing their thing. So I'm about to get ready to plug this boy up and see what's up under the hood. Check it out and go from there, guys. I appreciate it. Again, thanks to Buzz for reaching out to me and actually showing me this. All right, sending me this, not showing me, but sending me this, and rather quick. I'm talking about within like 3 days. Got it. All right, so stay on the lookout, guys. Salute to y'all, salute to Buzz, and we gonna get this party started and check it out and see what is up under here. All right, guys, I will get this video out to you, and we'll call it the day. Peace. I talk to y'all. I'm out.